welcome back to another video. Now today I thought I'd do a quick video on how to fix your AMD cooler sounding like this. Now I'll just bring the microphone up closer because you might not be able to hear it, but I don't know if you can hear that, but I definitely can. Now AMD coolers have this really annoying whine to them if they're turned up, but we'll try and fix this. The new intro, feel free to give me your thoughts. It's nothing special, it's just a simpler intro and I made it myself, so no watermark. Okay, so basically what you have to do is make sure that you've got an MSI motherboard. I'll make sure to put that in the title. But if you've got an MSI motherboard, this should definitely apply to you. As long as it's not too old and has dragon sensor, it should be okay. Now, basically what you want to do is first install Dragon Center. It's an MSI app. If you already haven't, link in the description for that. But anyway, let's get into it. Basically what you need to do first is install Dragon Center. Now, if we just put the microphone up to the AMD cooler, you might be able to hear that. If you can't, yeah, it's probably just because the microphone's not that sensitive. But yeah, okay. So what you need to do, install Dragon Center, and then you need to open it. So I'll just search it up. There we go. Now usually you have to sign up. So yeah, usually it wouldn't come up as quick as this, but that's okay. Now, when you first open it, it should be on the home and it should say no games yet if you don't have any. I do have games, but they're just so old they don't support Dragon Center. But anyway, now you might see up the top there's something that says scenario and there's something that says user scenario down here. Now, what you can do is either up the top click on scenario and it should bring a drop down saying extreme performance, balanced, silent and customized. Now, you can do balanced or silent. I prefer silent. I'm getting a new cooler anyway, the Be Quiet Dark Rock 4, so I'm not worried about it as much, but I would recommend silent. Now, if you put that on silent, please note that it does actually decrease your performance a lot. But yeah, anyway, if we put the microphone up to the cooler now, it probably won't even pick anything up. You might have to turn your volume all the way up to be able to hear it. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's hearing anything, so that's always a good thing. Now the second way, if you don't have that for some reason, go down to this, you got to press on home, and then there should be a little, and then you press on this arrow, and it should say user scenario in this list. Click on that, then go to balanced or silent. Now usually, I don't think mine came with extreme performance on there. I think it came with balanced. Now, as it says here, MSI recommends it for average users. But that's just, that's like normal tasks, but I've just got on silent because I don't like that sound at all. Okay, so once you can close it, and there you go. Now, if you liked the video, feel free to subscribe, of course, obviously it's your choice. Like or dislike, whatever is helpful. Comment if you found it helpful, share it, your choice. But anyway, see you in another video.
The streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for